CryPTOFROG back for another one and another one. Crypto freaking currency, DeFi, I love it. The next big growth area in crypto, but damn, explaining some of these projects takes some work. That's why you should love what you do. Love what you do and you'll never work a day in your life. Great quote. Not entirely sure who said it. Look it up when you get home. This video is about Ampleforth, ticker AMPL. And disclaimer, I am going to fanboy out a little. I have a bag and I'm going to show you how to use the GEEZA Geyser in just a moment's time. Geyser, British pronunciation. GEEZA, that sounds better. GEEZA. Alright, GEEZA. I'll show you how to use the GEEZA. Alright, GEEZA. Ampleforth has some really nice incentives to get that liquidity going, and for the big boys to enter the game, liquidity is the key. No liquidity, no bueno for the suits. I don't really give an F if they do join the party, but if it X's my bags, hey suits, make mine a soy latte. Before we dive balls deep into Ampleforth, quick housekeeping time. If you haven't subscribed yet, A, you're missing out on the recent winner of Crypto YouTube's Best Channel Award for 2020. It was presented by me to me. And B, just subscribe already. New crypto videos all the time. If you are subscribed, please thumbs up and share legends. Ampleforth is almost like a vision of how crypto will be in, say, 10 or 15 years from now. It is an entirely intriguing project that quite literally takes that 8-ball, shakes it, then tosses it out the window. No financial advice, but holy fuck am I bullish on this project. Like, seriously bullish. As I mentioned, I do have a bag, but I wasn't compensated or paid in any way by anyone to make this video. No paid reviews here, folks. And chicas. Ampleforth, which currently has a market cap of around 10 million US dollars, and it adjusts its supply as market demand changes. Yes, you heard that correctly. Even individual wallet balances change with the coin's total supply. Now, the clear question you may have is, why do they do this? Well, quite simply put, to protect against deflation and price volatility. The project now has a GEEZA to incentivize participation for providing liquidity. Think of it as staking, but staking 2030 styles. The rate at which this space moves is wicked fast, and to be quite frank, the top 25 market caps in the crypto game is going to look unrecognizable to how it looks now in just 5 or 10 years time, and AMPL, Ampleforth, could be leading the way. I'm on the website here, looks very clean and fresh. An adaptive money built on sound economics. You can stake it, so you click on the stake button here, and you're in the GEEZA. I'm going to be showing you how to use that in just a moment. On the GEEZA page, you can see users receive AMPL for providing liquidity on Uniswap. That is an exchange I've made a video about as well. Check it out after this one. The more liquidity you provide and for longer, the greater share of the AMPL pool you receive. So you deposit the Uni V2 AMPL liquidity tokens and receive a continuous drip of AMPL. The last time I heard continuous drip was a bad trip to the doctors. The Ampleforth team say they chose to work with Uniswap and version 2.0 specifically because it has the toolset to fully support Ampleforth's unique elastic supply mechanism in its entire toolchain end-to-end. Back on the homepage, you can click through all these options here, learn, bring it down, how it works, technology, economics, very interesting team, community dashboard, stake, more, frequently asked questions, white paper, advanced reading. I know you all love advanced reading, which is why you watch CryPTOFROG. Okay, great. So it incentivizes liquidity and provides nice passive income, but what makes you so interested in it, Frog? Well, I'm always overjoyed you asked. As you'll know, if you are watching this, I'll assume some basic understanding of crypto. Every digital commodity's fate is ball and chained to Bitcoin's ankles. Ampleforth says, F that, and gets around it by making its supply elastic and one that increases by usage. You could say like fiat currencies, I suppose, but the DeFi version. In other words, it can adapt to and swallow whole supply and demand shocks. It is an honorable use case which checks all the boxes BTC wanted to do. And the best way to look at it simply is Ampleforth is synthetic commodity money. How cool is that? It has an advanced protocol that uses trusted oracles to obtain accurate and fluid exchange rate data. This information is spread out to holders through a pro rata increase or decrease in the number of tokens each user holds, producing an end price with a lower correlation to Bitcoin and other big boy digital assets. The price for one Ampleforth at the time of making this video is $1.20. If you are looking for an instant moonshot, this probably isn't the project for you, but if you have your eye on the long game, no financial advice, I think you should keep an eye on Ampleforth. Oi Frog, why'd you say it won't instantly moon? Glad you asked, because they're using a price oracle that determines whether to increase or decrease the daily token supply. When the supply goes up, your amount of tokens goes up, and when the supply decreases, your amount of tokens goes down. It fluctuates. However, don't let that spook you. You won't be diluted. Your percentage ownership in the network always remains the same. Your holdings may have gone down, but so has the corresponding amount of supply, and vice versa. I really feel like I should go back to talking about ABC coin proof of work. But as an Ampleforth holder, I'm extremely incentivized to try and keep demand up and gain more AMPL. If demand is above the certain threshold, should AMPL's oracle pricing mechanism continue to nail it, Bitcoin 2.0. Before we get into the GEEZA tutorial, let's give you the bullet points on why I like Ampleforth. It is a digital asset uncorrelated to Bitcoin pumping or shitting the bed. It is designed, coded to give 0 Fs. It acts like a reserve collateral in DeFi financial instruments. It will become required eventually, in my opinion. Ampleforth, just a few days ago, before the production of this video, introduced these liquidity awards through its new GEEZA feature. That is a massive draw for me. The GEEZA is powered by Uniswap 2.0, and you could yield a lot back in interest. The GEEZA allows users to deposit their liquidity tokens to earn AMPL staking rewards with no minimum duration or amount of tokens required to be locked. Absolute gravy, the best gravy in town. I'm going to show you how to make use of AMPL's GEEZA. I am on Uniswap version 2.0. I have my MetaMask connected, and I have roughly the same amount of ETH and AMPL, because you're going to need that, because we're going to be providing much needed liquidity. As you can see, I have 5.27 ETH and 828 AMPL, and I'm going to show you how to put the AMPL into the GEEZA and start getting that interest. First up, you want to go to zapper.fi. I'm on the dashboard. You'll need to give it permission to connect to your MetaMask extension in Google Chrome. And I have some money I want to invest, so click on Invest. This is to get the AMPL liquidity tokens that we need. Because right now we just have AMPL. This is the GEEZA. I've already put some in because I wanted to know how it worked before I made this video. I've already accrued 0.08 AMPL. I didn't put much in there. My estimated rewards 25.42 AMPL per month. I'm going to up that number. As you can see here, my wallet balance is 0.0000. And if you have AMPL in your wallet, you might be quite confused as to why you don't have a wallet balance, especially since you're connected to the GEEZA. This is what you do. You click on Invest. This is in zapper.fi, by the way. Filter by token, and then you'll put AMPL into there, and you'll see ETH and AMPL available pools. Now you want to add liquidity. Click on that, And this is where you can add your liquidity. You can check that you're adding it to Uniswap v2 and the pool will be ETH and AMPL. I have 5.27 ETH, so I'm not going to put the max in because gas always screws you. Maybe I should just sell my... Well, I'm just going to hold my AMPL. Maybe I should sell. I'll do that later. So you can see it's split it half and half, 2.5 ETH, and that 2.5 ETH gives you 463.76 AMPL. I am connected. I'll pay the average gas fee. Click confirm. See, that gas fee is an absolute yatch. $2.68. I'm gonna laugh, mate. I know it's tempting to click max on ETH to get the maximum, but you'll need to leave some in there to pay these gas fees. So click confirm. Your transaction has started. You can click on that and it will pull up Etherscan for you. Estimated duration is going to take 4 minutes 40 seconds. So while I'm waiting for this to confirm, another tip for you, you can go to ethgasstation.info and you can find the recommended gas prices in Gwei. If you want to go fast, at the time of making this video, 29, standard 26, safe low 24.5. And boom! While I said that, it confirmed. Legendary. So you can see the transactions it's gone through to get you the Uni V2, which is what we wanted. I'm back on the GEEZA. Geyser. Different countries, different pronunciations, innit? You'll see my balance is no longer 0,000. It's 0.001047. Don't flip out thinking, oh my god, I bought 200 AMPL and I've only got this much. That's because this is like the percentage of the pool that you're putting in. I am just a minnow. So I'm going to click max. And from that 5 Ethereum of liquidity I'm providing to the pool, that will give me estimated rewards of 54.33 AMPL a month. Yes, please. Click deposit. You have to sign it. Paying those gas fees again. Yeah. Click confirm. This is why you don't max out your ETH. There it is. Congratulations! Successfully deposited. And you get some ticker tape. I'm going to close that. My wallet balance has gone to 0 again. Then you can just leave this running for as long or as little time as you would like. If you want to withdraw, just go to the withdrawal part, click on that, click max, and withdraw. You can check out the stats here. Total rewards, it's almost paid out 80,000 already. Lock rewards 75,000, unlock rewards 4,665. Program duration 84.7 days left. So someone tell me in the comments if I have to. I'm just going to keep it in because I'm mad for it. It's going to collect that 54.34 AMPL a month for doing nothing. Thank you. So that's my little tutorial for you. Isn't that difficult, is it? Someone leave a comment below, please. What shall I do with these AMPL? I think I should swap them for ETH and maximize my output, but someone let me know. But it's very easy, fresh, once you know how to do it. Staking is coordinated through Uniswap, as I mentioned. The entire process is on-chain and non-custodial. If you are interested in projects that are literally rewriting the game, I strongly suggest you check out AMPL and do your own research. No financial advice. I am your lightning rod and you do the rest. Your life, your choices. If you don't see the strengths in this project, I don't know, pack up and go home. You're beyond saving. Joking, of course. I don't really mean that. There are lots of really exciting projects in the space, aka the game. but I'm of the opinion that AMPL should be on your radar at the very least. Thank you very much for watching. If you're unsubscribed, please click subscribe. It really helps support my humble channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thumbs up. Share with your buddies and comment below what shall I do with this AMPL in my MetaMask. I'm thinking I should swap it for ETH and deposit more in the GEEZA. Follow me on Twitter as well, CryptoFrog202. That would be awesome. Click follow. Until we meet again, stack the Chad. Peace!